Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail tips and tricks. And in this video, I will simply show you on how to report phishing mail on your Gmail account in order to protect your account without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the mail content. Let's say, for instance, this mail here looks like phishing mail. So what you need to do, once you open up the mail, go ahead and click on these three dots right here. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on report phishing. And this is going to pop up right here. Phishing is a form of fraud in which a message sender. So you can read the detail right here. If you believe that this message is phishing attack, you can report to our abuse team and help us draft this attack and other like it. Reporting this message as an attack will send the entire message to our team for review. Go ahead and click on report phishing message. It's that simple. With that, Google team is going to work on the message and protect every Google account or Gmail account user that this type of message has been sent to them across. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about security on internet like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.